Hey, this is Henry from Cellular Surgeons. What we're going to show you how to do today is change a screen in an iPhone 4S. We already got a little bit done. First thing you want to do though on any device is shut the device off, which we already have done. The next step would be to take the two screws that hold the back cover in out with your pentalobe screwdriver. Next step, slide the back cover out, take that off. The next step I like to do first is to go ahead and take the two screws out of the battery, which we've already done. And then you simply want to lift the battery tab, and this little gold piece goes under the battery connector. And then from here you just want to go ahead and lift the battery right up. Next step is to take the screws out of this cover up here that holds in the LCD digitizer, camera, power button, volume button, flexes. Just helps hold it all in tight. Just lift it up from the top. It should come right out. Next, unscrew the cover that helps hold in the charging port connector. That just comes right off. Next, go ahead and unscrew this bracket up top that helps hold in the Wi-Fi. Take that up real careful. Now what you can do is go ahead and disconnect all the connections. Camera just comes right out. Okay. Take up the Wi-Fi. Then now you can also disconnect the service cable that gets your phone service. Next step would be to get this piece of security tape off the board that hides up a screw. Just like that. Go ahead and unscrew that. Now you can go ahead and take out all the screws that help hold the motherboard in. Some of the screws are double-headed screws, so you're going to need a flat-headed screwdriver. Okay, after that, you're going to want to get a small tool to pop the SIM card out, because that also holds the motherboard in place. So just come right out. And now from here, you can go ahead and take your motherboard out. Kind of be careful not to hit your flex cables too much. From here, you want to unscrew these two screws that help hold in the loudspeaker. That just pops right up. And lastly, the vibrator. That's just held in with heat tape. You can get right under that, pop it up. Now to take out the screws that hold the screen in. First thing you want to do is take this piece of security tape off right here. And there's 4 corner screws in here. Go ahead and take those out. After that, take out your 6 side screws, 3 here, 3 here. And from here, the screen just comes right off. And then you repeat all the steps to put it back together. Alright, thank you.